You're both twice as tall as me, but have half the bloody backbone.
But we don't know what that thing even is. And what about the crypt?
I'm telling you, it's a ship. And the crypt can wait. Mari and Barton have been trying to break in for days. Now we... Stop! Got ourselves competition already. That's our ship. Oh, yeah? Well, we're...
I ain't fighting him. Not a chance.
We're leaving. Come on, move it!
It would have been quicker to kill them.
Open up. Let's see.
Why do you give a book? Everything all right out there? Yeah? I always were a bit soft. But I've got plenty of friends who ain't soft. Come in here and you can meet them.
Careful, I bite. Hardly a challenge.
All right. What now? Trap. Be cautious.
Nothing.
All clear.
No time to rest. Let's see what this does. Moving ahead.
Don't touch me.
What path lies before me?
A monster forms inside us, and you think to be idle. I knew your kind to be fragile, but I didn't foresee the severity. Be quick about your rest. We must locate a crash. you would doubt me. I do not trust a common healer to extract a gate tadpole without killing its host. At a creche, a gust still may cleanse us. Safely. Take your rest. I will stand watch. Should a single tentacle split your skull, I will not hesitate to end you. The wizard was a useful find. Let's hope he's as powerful as he is verbose. I expect I am your first. I suppose I am as alien to you as you are to me. I know of your kind, but I do not often encounter them. That large, fleshy nose of yours looks like a mistake. Decadent, then. Lacking in economy. Like so much of this world and its undisciplined people. I understand much beyond your comprehension. More to the point, I know the cure for our condition. It is imperative we locate a creche. You do well to observe more and question less. Yes, in great detail. It starts with a fever and memory loss. Then you start to hallucinate. Your hair falls out, and you bleed from every orifice. Your bones will change form. Your jaw will split to allow room for 4 great tentacles. All skin will turn to gore and be shed to reveal new flesh underneath. Then you have ceased to exist, and a mind flayer is born. Because I do not intend to let this happen. Not to me, and if you stick with me, not to you. We must find my kind and be rid of the parasite. It's as simple as that. The first symptoms should have long since started, though. That is what puzzles me. Yes, if you give it no further thought. But anomalies lead to surprises. Bad surprises. Besides, what hasn't happened may yet come to pass.
Your gift friend seems on edge. Mustn't relish the thought of sprouting tentacles. Understandable. Can't say I'm a fan either. It's just hard to join in when all of this feels so new. The night normally means bustling streets, bursting taverns. Curling up in the dirt and resting is, a little novel. I'll be awake a while yet. Today has been a lot. I need some time to think things through. To process this. You sleep. I'll keep watch. Suit yourself. Sweet dreams.
What's up for discussion?
Go to hell. Ha! You're a good sport. Go to hell. An everyday expression. So trivial it's almost meaningless. But we've seen hell. It's real. And it isn't trivial. Devils, dragons, mind flayers. They used to be abstracts. Pictures on a piece of paper. What a difference a day makes. Now we have tadpoles slithering through our heads like carnivorous feti. That's not abstract. This ballet of flames invites reflection. But you're right. Let's be up with the lark. Find a healer before the wee one gets hungry.
Doing the rounds, are you? You'd better get some rest. What were you two talking about? You and that Gith Yankee. Fine. Just don't expect my confidence if I don't have yours. And just to be clear, come daybreak, finding a healer is our first priority. Caution is a luxury we don't have. Let's rest and wake up at first light.
I've heard you can't get blood from a stone, but apparently you can get a wizard from one. Gale seems interesting.
So that's to say you'd like to pry a little. You do seem like the type, I must say. My, look at you. Straight as an arrow and right to the point every time. This isn't the tadpole I'm speaking to, is it? The personality seems a little lacking. That's all you're entitled to, for now. Our parasite problem doesn't make you my confidant. We haven't gone all that far yet. What are you referring to exactly? We go our separate ways, of course. What else? The ties that bind would be well and truly severed. We were brought together by circumstance. Besides, I have my own people in Baldur's Gate. And before you ask, no. I'm not telling you what I'm doing there, or who I'm meeting, or anything else. You pry too much. Any further and you'll regret it. Understand? Must I? Thinking about it won't help. We know what to do, so let's do it. Find a way to rid ourselves of these things. I'm not too hopeful that a Gith crash will actually prove our salvation, but worth keeping in mind. If nothing else, you can at least soak up any arrows that are loosed at us. Fine. What's on your mind?
So, we've picked up a wizard who managed to get stuck in his own portal. Hardly a promising introduction. Oh, darling, I'm hurt. I thought we had something special. I guess I'll spend my evenings lounging here while you do all the hard work. It sounds awful.
You're not versed in magic, are you? No matter to worry the unlettered over. If you meet any elder wizards, let me know. There is a matter I'd like to seek advice on from a master. Go ahead. I'm listening. With pleasure. Lead on.
What?
Here we go. No traps, please. No more prayers. Only dust and silence.
Who are those prayers for?
Ancient, indecipherable text covers the plaque.
A dead tongue. Whoever worshipped here must be long gone. Don't mind if I do. Shut it! This is no time for joking around.
Need to act fast.
Take you.
Got to press on. I am fury. I am death. You bow. Or you break.
Victory is assured. Swiftly now.
Ready. Swift and lethal. Let's finish this. I am fury. I am death.
get to it.
Time to strike. I will not know fear.
On the move.
Battle of wits. Allow me to demonstrate. Time to press ahead.
Save me first. I need healing.
Time to strike.
Let me recite their demise. Let's get this over with.
What's the plan? Take your...
No gloom, all doom. With ease.
I'm ready. Onward.
Victory awaits. Taste my fury.
Cutting to the chase. It's sorcery.
Swift and lethal. This is your end. My faith will protect me. Victory awaits.
I won't give in. Blood follows me everywhere. I've got a long road ahead. With haste. Better than nothing.